Okay guys, so I just came home and I looked at my potatoes and this one was just keeled over. Good one day, pretty much dead the next. And I'm looking here, I pulled it out. And not quite sure. The stem right here looks pretty funky. Looks like it's been almost chewed up right there in the soil. Like, look right there. Now, my question is, I have a lot of compost in here from my yard, or from my compost pile, but I also have thousands of these millipedes, and then just thousands of like the roly-polies and stuff like that. Is it possible that the animals that are composting my stuff are eating my root systems? And should I start siphoning out my compost before I put it into my planting beds and keep the bugs where they should be? I'm not sure. But, you know, first it was the cucumbers. Now it's my potatoes. A few things have been happening like that. And now it's got me thinking, is it the bugs that are in my compost? Because I get, tons of bugs. Literally in there is where I put the hole. There's just tons of bugs. Let me just flip this over. Tons of roly-polies, and are they eating my root systems? And should I start like separating them out, like with a screen or something like that, before I put the compost in? What do you guys think? Because this is no bueno. I don't like this at all. And it's happening. So, there's my other potato plant. And I just put compost in these. So, are the bugs eating my compost or my root system? Let me know. Upon further inspection, this is a split dissected part of one of my potato plants. This is the root system, split in half. Look at all those little bugs in there. Look, there's a hole right there they were even coming in and out of. So here's part 2 of what's eating my potatoes. These little brown bugs.